students. Now in this video we will be talking about the writing section, and in that writing section we will be covering a very important topic of description. Now from the word description we know that there is a word derived as describe, and to describe is that you have to explain the characteristics of a person or maybe a thing. Now in that case you have to define the appearance of that person or appearance of that thing, or you can talk about height, eyes, color, weight, and the physique of the person. But this type of description is referred to as factual description. Now description is basically of two types. We can describe description. They are of two types. First is my factual description, and the second type of description is considered as a process description. Here, when I was talking about describing the appearance of a person or a thing, or whenever you are describing an event that took place, that is all about a factual description, because here you are telling a fact about a person or you're describing a fact about a thing. But when we talk about process description, now process is the actions that take place, or a particular step. The step-by-step describing of something is referred to as process. So it is a step-by-step description, and that is referred to as a process description, right? When anything occurs or when we follow particular steps to achieve a result, that is referred to as a process, and when you're describing that process, it becomes process description. So today's video we will be focusing on process description. Now there are certain points which we have to keep in mind whenever you are describing or whenever you are explaining a process to do anything, right? The process does not complete until you reach a goal or until an outcome is deserved or desired. Here my process, suppose I say the process of making of tea. So there it is very important that you have to describe the steps in an organized and in a logical manner. So here there are simple points to remember. Points to remember whenever you are describing a process. First is that the steps that you are defining should be in logical and organized manner. This is the first and foremost thing that you have to remember, that if your steps are organized, only then a particular outcome will appear. If not, then your entire process description has gone into vain. Why? Because the desired outcome will never be achieved. So even if you watch videos where they're instructing you to perform a particular action, they first organize those steps in a particular order so that the desired outcome has to come. So this is my first step. The second step is that whenever you're describing a process, it is always in passive voice. You always have to describe the process in passive voice, and your process description should be logical, which means that a step-by-step instruction should be given. Now here we are going to understand the process description through an example. So let us take a look at the example. So now let us understand process description through an example. Now the example that I am going to explain you right now is the same example which is provided in the content section. So once you visit the content section and click on process description, the same example along with the answer will be provided to you. So you can have a look from there on the complete details of how you have to mention each and every specific detail while describing a process to someone, and how you have to describe it in a step-by-step manner. Now the question says that you have to open a savings account while going to the bank, right? So process is to open a saving account. So you have to write a step-by-step procedure of how you're going to go to the bank, and then you have to manage to open a savings account. So you can start by saying that opening a savings account in a bank is very simple. So my first step can be opening a savings account in a bank is very simple. Remember, I am writing abbreviation over here to make it short, but while writing anything in your writing section, be it your notice writing or be it your letter writing, report writing, whatever, no abbreviation should be used, else your marks will be deducted. Now, opening a savings account in a bank is very simple. Firstly, I can say, go to the bank and ask the clerk on duty to provide a prescribed printed application form for opening the account. Which account? Savings account. So for opening a savings account, now once you get that, then you have to write that your name and your address should be mentioned in that. So I will say your name and address should be mentioned in the form at the required field. So there is a particular field where you need to mention your name and your address over there. Then I can say, do not forget to carry 2 to 3 photographs and an identity card while going to the bank. Why? Because it is required to affix your photograph and to provide your identity card while you're giving the application for the form. So you also have to carry your photographs and your identity card along with it. Then also we can say that while I'm opening a savings account, then you can mention that the savings account can be individual. It can be individual or joint. And if the account needs to be opened for the minor is less than 18, then also the details of the adult, or it can be the guardian, the parents, right? So details of those people are also required. Then the applicant also has to mention his address and his name along with the photographs. Then there is a declaration. You also have to sign that declaration, right? And then you can say that once your account is opened, I will say once the account is open, passbook is provided, passbook and a checkbook is provided to make the transactions. So we can say that this way we can open an account. This is just a short thing that I have described over here. If you want to get a complete and a detailed answer regarding this question, then do visit the content section and have a detailed look on the answer. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.